Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking to you about East West Bank. More specifically, I'm going to be showing you a few ways that you can order checks for your East West Bank account. So first, just a little bit of background on what a check is. It's a physical piece of paper that's linked to your bank account. You use this to pay someone or a company, and the way that it works is you write the check and then give it to the person that you're paying. They will then deposit the check into their bank account, and once they do that, the money will be taken out of your account and deposited into theirs. So now that we have a little bit of background on what a check is, I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can order them. Before we get started, you will need to have a copy of a voided check or something else that has your East West bank account and routing number on it. So the first thing you want to do is open your browser on your phone and type in the bank web address. You can use Safari, Chrome, Firefox, whatever browser you normally use will work just fine. I'm going to be using Safari in this video. As you can see, I'm already on the East West Bank website, and you can see the web address at the top of the screen, eastwestbanker.com. You can also check out the description for the link to East West Bank. So the first way that you can order your checks is going to be by logging on to your East West Bank account online. To do this, you're going to click on the 3 white lines at the top right left-hand corner of the screen, which is your menu button. It's a little hard to see, but you'll see the 3 white lines right at the top. So you'll click on that, and then this will bring up this menu where you'll click on My Account, Personal, and then Log In. If you don't have a username and password to log in, you can click Enroll and then follow the steps on the screen to complete the enrollment process. Once you have your username and password, you can click on Log In, and that will then bring you to this next screen here where you'll be able to enter your username and your password. Once you're logged in, go to Banking Options and then Order Online if available. Usually banks do charge a fee for checks, and it's normally a set price, but be sure to look for any banking promos that include free checks if you have a certain type of account. So the second way that you can order checks is going to be by calling the customer service number for East West Bank. You can usually find this phone number located on the back of your East West debit card, and that's probably going to be the easiest place to find it. You can also look for a Contact Us page on the East West Bank website, but that can sometimes be a little bit tricky and not so straightforward to find. So if you happen to know of any other ways that you can find this phone number, please be sure to let me know in the comments. I do also want to let you know that there is sometimes an additional fee to use this service to order checks, and that's something that the customer service representative will be able to lay out for you when you speak with them. The third and final way I'm going to talk to you about to order checks is going to be through a third-party vendor. To do this, you'll go to google.com and do a search for order replacement checks for East West Bank. I already have a tab with this open, and I've already typed in the search bar order replacement checks for East West Bank. What this does is it brings up several third-party vendor websites that you can use to order checks. Checks in the mail, Walmart checks, Bradford Exchange checks. Those are just a few examples of the many websites that you can use to order your checks from. Do be aware that prices and security features will vary when ordering online through a third-party vendor. So if you happen to know of any other good, reputable third-party vendors that you can order checks from, please be sure to let me know in the comments. Ordering checks through a third-party vendor is also where your voided check will come in handy, because you'll need to have your exact East West Bank account number and routing number. So those are the 3 ways that you can order checks. I hope that you found this useful, and please be sure to check out the description for more information on East West Bank.